Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Barton reaction. Barton reaction is the small topic from photochemistry and also in various exam number of question on Barton reaction asked in NET as well as GATE exam. In Barton reaction, photolytic conversion of organic nitrite into nitroso alcohol. Those who don't know nitrite, nitrite is the RON double bonded to oxygen, and nitrosome means R directly bonded to nitrogen and double bond oxygen. In Barton reaction, there is a formation of 6-member transition state, and also in Barton reaction, hydrogen abstraction from the delta position with respect to nitride group. Okay, so let us move towards our first example. After giving photochemical condition to substrate, that is nitride group, then initially homolytic cleavage of O-NO bond, and there is a formation of O radical and NO radical. This O radical abstract proton from delta carbon, that is alpha, beta, gamma, delta carbon, and formation of 6-member transition state. After it abstract proton from delta hydrogen, then it converts to a OH group, and again formation of radical on that delta carbon. This delta radical and NO radical combine to form nitroso group. Nitroso group and OH group present in a same molecule, we called it as a nitroso alcohol. After giving H3O plus, that is hydrolysis to nitroso alcohol, then this nitroso group converts to a aldehyde functionality. If nitroso group present on terminal carbon, then after hydrolysis it converted into aldehyde. If it is not, that is nitroso group is present on internal carbon, then after giving hydrolysis it converted into ketone. If there is a stereochemistry given in the example, then the OH minus radical and delta hydrogen is in the same plane. Okay, let us move towards another example. Again, after giving photochemical condition, homolytic cleavages occur, formation of O and NO radical. This O radical again alpha, beta, gamma, delta, again abstract proton from delta carbon and formation of OH group and radical form on that delta carbon. This radical again combine with NO radical and formation of nitroso. Let us move towards another example which is asked in December 2016 NET exam. There is a 4 option which is given below. In first option, the nitroso and OH group at same carbon, that is alpha position. So this is the wrong answer. In option B, the nitroso group is beta to OH group. So this is also wrong. In option D, the nitroso group is delta to OH functionality, that is alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So this is our correct answer. Let us move towards another question. as I already told you, if stereochemistry given in the example, in this example the OH functionality is in the below the plane of paper and reagent is nitrosyl chloride and pyridine. In this case, pyridine, you know that weak base, the role of base to abstract the proton. It abstracts proton from this OH group and formation of O minus, that is formation of nucleophile. Formation of nucleophile. This nucleophile attack on that nitrosyl group, removal of Cl and formation of nitride group. After formation of nitride group, that is ONO group, again put homolytic cleavage of NO, formation of O radical and NO radical. As I already told you, this O radical, the stereochemistry of this O radical and delta carbon is in the same plane. In this example, there is a 2 delta position, alpha, beta, gamma, delta and again delta. But in this example, OH functionality is in the below the plane. That's why it abstracts proton from delta carbon, which is in the below the plane of paper, and formation of radical on that carbon, and this radical again combine with NO radical and formation of this. Okay, let us move towards our final example, which is asked in NET December 2016 exam. In this, nitride group already present in substrate. Again, photolytic cleavage of ONO, formation of O and NO radical. This O radical abstract proton from delta carbon. In this example, again stereochemistry is given. The stereochemistry of nitride group is below the plane of paper. So it abstracts proton from that delta carbon which is in the below the plane of paper. In this example, there is a 2 delta position, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. But this delta carbon is below the plane of paper. That's why this O radical abstract proton from that delta carbon and formation of radical on that delta carbon. This delta carbon again combine with NO radical and formation of NO. After hydrolysis, as I already told you, if nitroso group is present on internal carbon, then it forms ketone, which is given in that example. This nitroso group is in the internal carbon. That's why after hydrolysis it forms to